You are in your school computer class. The teacher says a word you don't understand. Everyone else is nodding and understanding, but you are just looking around confused. Has that ever happened to you? Don't worry. Today, we are going to make computer words easy, so you can even explain them to your friends. Let's start with hardware. Hardware is the part of the computer you can touch. The keyboard, mouse, and screen are all hardware. They are like the body of the computer. Then comes software. Software is the part you cannot touch. It is the apps and programs that tell the computer what to do. Without software, the hardware would just sit there quietly. Here's another one: browser. A browser is what you use to go on the internet. Chrome, Safari, and Firefox are all browsers. Without them, you cannot search for anything online. Next is the cursor. The cursor is the arrow or blinking line on the screen. It shows where you are pointing or typing. And a folder is like the bag where you keep your notebooks. It helps you arrange your files so they don't get lost. Finally, there is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connects your computer or tablet to the internet without using wires. It is invisible, but it lets your device talk to the internet. So next time your teacher says one of these words, you will not feel lost. You will know exactly what it means, and maybe you can even help your friends understand too. Found this helpful? Like this video, subscribe, and share it with your classmates. See you next time on Appsolute Kids.